What is that? I don't think it's a heart.
Hey, Keshav.
Hey.
How you doing? I thought we just cut ourselves a cake.
Oh, you're too kind.
Want some?
Oh, okay.
Not.
Rafe, get ready to enter the danger zone.
Wait, what? What?
Rafe, this is how you get ants.
Sage, what are you doing? He had a myocardial infarction.
That's not even a real word. Oh, I gotta Snapchat this. Infarction selfie.
What just happened, man?
Let me school you about the heart.
That sounds fun.
Hello everybody, how do you do? We've got here a nice treat for you. Listen to our groups, and at this session, it's gonna be a really fun lesson. There's this little thing we all call the heart. We'll teach you all about it, part by part. So fasten your seatbelts, put your tray tables up. This ain't no time to be drinking from a cup. Blood's coursing through your body, giving you life, maintaining homeostasis. What a strife, and the heart's the pump that does the work. It's strong and firm, and it ain't skirt. So shall we proceed through the details? There's a lot of stuff that this entails. Don't think that we're disobedience. At least we're better than standard deviants. It's the heart, man. Oh, I'm a big fan. It keeps me running. It's a stunning. The heart's composed of 3 layers, the outer muscular and inner players. Protection, contraction, intermedium are the epi, myo, and endocardium. The pericardium protects the heart. It's a sac that encloses from the start. The fibrous, parietal, and visceral linings lie outside the heart, protective shining. Onto the heart with the epicardium, the layer outside with no tedium. Its serous membrane and the connective tissue, vessels and capillaries pass with no issue. The myocardium is all muscle, pumping all that blood at a hustle. It's richly supplied with capillaries with a group of nerve fiber trees. The endocardium, the innermost part, consists of epithelium from the start. It lines at the chamber, valves and all, with Purkinje fibers to carry the call. It's the heart, man. Oh, I'm a big fan. It keeps me rolling, so I don't stop strolling.
The heart receives blood and pumps it out to atrias and ventricles, scream and shout. Atrias go around, receive the blood. Ventricles contract, pump out the flood. Valves sit around and prevent backflow, but what they do is not faux show. 2 types exist and no fewer: atrioventricular and semilunar. AV valves are just like their name, though they're not exactly the same. Right atrium to ventricle is tricuspid, left atrium to ventricle is bicuspid. Semilunar valves look like half moons, a little different, but they don't swoon. Right ventricle to the lungs is the pulmonary, aortics from the left to the body. Valves close up when the chambers fill or when the passageways are not still. Blood pushes back, slamming them shut. Chordae, tendonae also help somewhat. It's the heart, man. Oh, I'm a big fan. It's pumping. to keep me jumping.
The superior and inferior vena cavas carry deox blood to help us. They dump their contents into the right atrium, which acts like a really big stadium. The atrium contracts, expelling the blood, which enters the ventricles with a thud. Following that, the tricuspid valve closes itself like a helpful salve. The ventricle contracts, sending out its contents to the pulmonary artery it supplements. Blood goes to the lungs to get oxygen, the pulmonary SL, keeping blood from coming in. The pulmonary vein brings the blood back to the left atrium, right on track. The atrium contracts, sending it out to the left ventricle where it's all about. The left ventricle is the powerhouse. With the mitral valve closed, it ain't a louse. It fires up the hose and contracts all right, sending the blood flowing with all its might. The blood goes up the aortic arch, the aortic SL, keeping blood on the march. Thus we see the left ventricle supplies the body with the blood tentacle.
Stop slacking off. We got the rhythm cycle. How do you expect the heart to maintain its title? Electrical impulses have the signal, which helps blood move to the whistle. The sinoatrial, or SA node, is the traffic cop that takes the load. In the right atrium is where it lies, starting the cycle with no surprise. When it fires, the atria contract, the left and right together for a fact. The impulse travels to the AV node with junctional fibers acting as a road. From there, can you guess where the signal is? Right into the bundle of his. Continuing to the bundle branch pair, Purkinje fibers carry it from there. It's the heart, man. Oh, I'm a big fan. It's achieving to keep me chillin'.
Ventricular contraction is called systole, relaxation is called diastole. AV valves closing creates a lub sound. SL valves create the dub rebound. As you can see from this EEG, contractions are controlled and not so free. Atrial contraction is the P wave. Depolarization is how they behave. Proceeding is the QRS complex. This is where the ventricles flex. The strength of this is so great that atrial repole is in a non-visible state. Following that is the lone T wave. Repolarization is what it engraves. Once that occurs, we're going back to square one, where the heart does it again, back on the run. A cardiac cycle is what we call this. It runs on its own without a miss. Nerve stimulation adjusts the heart rate, the medulla being the controlling gate. It's the heart, man. Oh, I'm a big fan. It's believin' to keep me livin'.
Keshav, does that make some more sense now?
I don't get it. What happened to Rafe?
He had a heart attack.
What was that?
A myocardial infarction is also known as a heart attack, which occurs when there's a lack of blood flow to the heart. That can either be caused by a thrombus or an embolism. That causes the cardiac muscle cells to infarct or die. So basically, you're screwed.
Another common condition are varicose veins. Now, varicose veins are a condition common in pregnant women in which the venous return is insufficient, causing a pooling of blood in the limbs.
Oh, Rafi, you alright? What happened to you?
I'm fine. It was just a little something. Well, another thing is called patent ductus arteriosus. This is what children are born with if the link between the aorta and pulmonary artery is insufficient. When this happens, there's insufficient blood flow through the heart. If not corrected, the child usually dies within the first year. Two other common disorders of the heart are atherosclerosis, which is a fatty plaque buildup over a long period of time within the heart, and an end stage of this is called arteriosclerosis, where the arteries actually calcify.
Sounds like a personal problem.
Oh, this all makes sense, guys. Oh, thank you. I love my heart.
Thin.